Hi everyone, I'm Janine. I'm the Inside Sales Manager at F&S. F&S is a manufacturer of embedded boards. We provide both hardware and software, and we are located in Stuttgart, Germany. And today I'm here with my colleague Moritz. Moritz, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yes, hi, and also a warm welcome from my side. My name is Moritz Weber. I'm lead product manager at F&S. And today we want to give you a little bit of an overview what we are planning to do and what we are already doing with OSM.
So maybe Moritz, you want to start. What are the advantages of OSM?
Yes, for sure. So OSM is an open standard. It's established by the SCAT, so Standardization Group for Embedded Technology, which has a lot of well-established companies as members. And all the knowledge of these members is inside of the OSM standard. OSM is a solderable module, really small in terms of the size, but also it's known for robustness. So you have a really robust connection between the module and the baseboard. So this makes it a perfect fit for small application, maybe in rough environments.
Okay, that sounds really interesting. Which strategy is F&S following regarding OSM?
So in the OSM standard, there are different sizes of modules. It starts with size 0 and goes up to size L, size large. We as F&S think OSM is perfect for the core components of some module. So which means we have the CPU, the memory, the PMIC on it. And the main advantage, the small size, is also one point. So this is why we mainly focus on size S, so the second smallest size, but still having a good computing power with NXP CPU on it.
Okay, that sounds really interesting. Is there only one OSM module from F&S or are there more?
No, we have a whole portfolio of modules. So starting with the i.MX8M Mini or Nano, IMX 93, 91, but also IMX8 ULP and IMX 8M Plus modules. So we have the strategy to have a whole family, scalable, but also with addressing different applications.
Okay, that sounds like a really big range. So can you give us maybe example applications?
Yeah, for sure. Like I said, we want to address different fields of application. For example, we have the module with the IMX8 ULP, which stands for ultra low power, but it's still good in terms of, for example, graphical performance. So which means this is a perfect fit if you have a battery powered application or an application where the power consumption is really should be really low. But also we have other applications like HMI in medical devices where, for example, the 8M Plus could fit perfectly. The 8M Plus is a perfect solution for higher graphical performance. So as you can see, there are a lot of space in between where you can have different applications addressed with different OSM modules or different CPUs.
Okay, that really sounds like there are a lot of opportunities for OSM. So maybe you can tell us, are there more OSM modules coming or is it complete now?
No, we're still developing more and more modules. In the next month, we will present two, I think, really interesting modules. One is an OSM with the i.MX 937. So this one is a larger brother of the IMX 93, which means there is more GPU performance inside this CPU, but also the memory will be upscaled to LPDDR5. So this is a better performance compared to the IMX 93. But also we are currently developing a module with the i.MX 95.2. This one is a little bit less performance than the i.MX 95, but What we still have for both modules, we in the size S, so still only 30 by 30 millimeter in terms of the PCB size. And this will have impact. The 95.2 will be at the lower end at our F&S portfolio. So if you need more performance, also more MPU performance for HI applications, that will be increasing the opportunities for our customer drastically.
Okay, that sounds really great and interesting. Maybe one more question, is F&S only offering OSM hardware or is there also software support?
No, like you said, F&S is not only a developer of OSM modules. We as F&S do for sure the development of the hardware, but also a large development of software, and we produce everything in Germany. So everything in one hand. But coming to the software, we are trying to help our customers as much as possible. A big topic right now is the CRA, the Cyber Resilience Act. So when it comes to these topics, software is very important. So there are a lot of to-dos in terms of software. What we do, first, when it comes to the software systems we're using, it's not only Linux Yocto what we support, we also have different others like QNX, Debian, Android, but also a big support of Windows 10 IoT, which is upcoming. And especially in terms of security, we have some vulnerability tracker included in our software. We help customers creating the SBOM. We support secure boot, not only for the bootloader, also for the root file system and the device tree. So we try to extend our software as much as possible. Over-the-air update will be or is already a big topic, which is included in our BSP. So when a customer chooses F&S, they choose the right hardware, but also the right software. And we are proud to produce these modules also in Germany.
Great. So thank you everybody for watching. We hope you could all learn a little bit more about F&S and OSM modules. And if you have more questions, just send us an email or contact us by phone. We are happy to help you with your future OSM projects.
Also very thankful for your attention from my side.